Today is April 5, 2024 for the SPY. Yeah, today's trade setup is long. I went long most of the time today and went short later in the afternoon. I will show you my trades later. But today's, at the beginning of the hour, the trade setup is beautiful. I think for the SPY, you should be able to get 4 points at least. Look at the setup. Look at 15-minute SPY on the right hand side. There was a big sell-off on Thursday, sell all the way down. And the next day, Friday, today, if you use 1 minute or 2 minute moving average strategy as retracement, yes, you get 514 to 518. It's almost 4 points right here. That's sort of minimum 3 points to 4 points profit for the SPY. As I always say, 50 moving average will cross 200 moving average on 1 minute chart almost every day. It will happen every day. So if you're not greedy, you can get in and out for scalping few points easily. Should be able to do it. For 2 minute chart, 50 cross 200 moving average, I would say 90% of the time. Not exactly 100%, but today it happened, so not bad, right? Great profit for the SPY. And look at the retracement on 15 minutes. Since there was a sell-off on Thursday, sort of we have a big bounce up above 61% retracement, and then it even hit. Look at daily chart, even tested the 5-day moving average. Like I always say, 5-day moving average is the line in the sand. Always come back to visit. For I don't know the reason, but this seems like the magic number, 5-day moving average. It has to be tested. Even we miss it, one day, 2 day, almost third day or fourth day, it must be tested. So today the market's kind to us. It tested 5-day moving average, even higher 10-day moving average. So 10 days is a big resistance for Friday. There's another signal showing on the 15-minute chart SPY, indicating there's a strong bounce, strong retracement. If you use Fibonacci, look at the 15-minute chart SPY, look at RSI. Can you see at the final hour on Thursday, it was in the oversold category. So another sign, of telling you, there should be, a bounce, but how high, I don't know. So it depends on the 1 minute and 2 minute charts. And the market was kind to us, gave us 4, even 5 points profit. And one thing I want to look at for today, there was no follow through. Okay, didn't even test the Thursday low. Look at the chart here, daily chart SPY. All the red arrow I put down on November 2023. Look at the arrow. We have a big drop, big sell off, and then close below three bar ago. That's a 3-bar rule. Remember, if you learn the 3-bar rule, There's the first one, second arrow in December. Again, this one, yeah, I would say roughly close below 3 bar rule. And another one, December 20th, it closed below 3 bars ago, sell off. And then this year, 2024, February, with a big sell off, also closed below 3 bar ago. Look at it. And then the next day, what happened? No follow through. All this pattern, it's been like this the whole, almost last year, since last year till now. Big sell off, but no follow through. And next day, a bounce, big bounce. So that's another signal. There's another pattern. Tell us, you should bet on the long side. It's not guaranteed, but chances are high. But funny, this time the sell-off is different. All the previous sell-off, it bounced, and they all close above trade above 5-day moving average. Look at it. And this time, the 5-day moving average crossed below 10-day moving average. And then showing, I think showing some weakness. And for the RSI, it's neutral. So, it's fighting. We're looking at SPY weekly chart. Look at the RSI. We're looking at the weekly chart, SPY. Finally, we have a red bar this week. And look at the RSI. It's in this oversold category, in the oversold area for a long time, for quite few months. I kind of think it should have a pullback, right? But don't know when, how far deep. Right now it's 511 on the weekly chart. Is support. It has to break below 511 in order to go further down. So we watch this 511 level next week, see it will break, or another scenario, it will go back to the high again. Yeah, this is a ES futures. It's almost identical to SPY, except SPY trades in the market hour, and ES is 24 hours trading. ES has no follow through. It didn't close below Thursday's low. But if you look at the 5-minute chart, it gave us a hint the market was bottom. Look at when the market opened on Thursday night, Thursday evening, it went lower. It had Thursday's low, but didn't close below it. It bounced. If you look at 5-minute here, and from that point on, it just kept on going, and then it tried one more time. I believe this is news when the Friday data came out. This one around 5:30, we have a spike down, but didn't close below Thursday's low. This is a good sign of being bullish. There's a strong signal here. I could spend an hour talk about this. There's lots of things going on around here. So I see lots of bullish signals. And this is the trade setup I did. I went long at the beginning and then a short at the end around here. I think I got into one of the short, got in, too early. That was my mistake. But anyway, overall, yeah, it's a beautiful trade on Friday. Since ES and SPY is almost identical, I already covered most of the things I want to say on the SPY chart, so I'm not going to say anything here. Not much to say. All I say is supporting resistance for the ES. So next week we should look for a retracement. Look at 240-minute chart. We have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 green bar, and the MACD is trying to cross on 240-minute. Might be slightly bullish before any pullback on Monday. Yeah, if you look at this ES 50-minute chart, I also want to point out, now it's trading above 200 moving average on 15-minute chart. That's and the indicator being slightly bullish to the upside. 200 moving average is a line in the sand. Should be a reference for either side, up or down. If you look at the 240-minute, we have 1 2 3 4 5 5 green bar, up bar. I suspect we should have a red bar on Monday, but somewhere, I don't know where. You can use I'm going to use the 5-minute chart to find out. Yeah, let the 5-minute, hopefully we'll get retracement on the 5-minute chart. Again, use 50 moving average cross 200 moving average as reference for pullback, if there's a pullback. If not, then look at 60-minute on the ES. From technical standpoint, is forming lower low, lower high. So as long as stays below the 200 moving average on 60-minute chart, I would say it's still slightly bearish. Once it closes above 200 moving average on 60-minute chart, just bulls should be in control. But look at 15-minute chart. So you have to be careful. Look at the 15-minute chart on ES. So it's already above 200 moving average. Just be careful. Looks like might turn around since no follow through on Friday. The SPY didn't even test the Thursday low. There's some signs here of being bullish. We might have a few more updates. Look at the weekly chart. I wouldn't be so bearish, since this is not bear market. You have to change your mindset. Get ready to turn around. Look at the weekly chart for the ES. Again, let's see, 5180 should be a strong support level. And however, look at RSI. It's been in the red category, the red area, for quite some time. I want to have a pullback, have a corrections, but I have to respect the market. Let the market tell us which way we go. So for Monday, I will use 5-minute chart to determine the entry and exit level. I still have two short positions open around 52.50 area. So hopefully either I take profit or cut loss. So good luck. See you on Monday. Have a great weekend.